Hello to the side and back, my name is Toki Uzuru, also known as Toki, and in today's video, before we get into the video, Alice is here.
Hi.
She decided to join me as I'm doing this recording. Now I'm going back to the video. But this video specifically was supposed to be about spring and spring cleaning, now that it is actually officially spring, although the weather seems to think otherwise. And with spring comes renewal, new beginnings, and spring cleaning. So recently, my mom ended up getting me this kombucha from a specific brand, not sponsored, but it is the spring edition, and it has a pretty butterfly on it. And although I did talk about the butterfly effect specifically in one of my last, it wasn't last video, it was I think the video before that. But butterflies specifically could also symbolize renewal or cycle of life, I'm guessing. Anyway, it had me thinking about specifically spring cleaning. Well, it had me thinking about spring in general, renewal and stuff, but specifically spring cleaning for today. The thing that had me thinking specifically about spring cleaning is the video that I watched earlier today as I was doing my stretches after working out, where this person was spring cleaning, and this video specifically that I watched was them going through their room as well as going through their children's room. And I already had the idea before I watched that video to talk specifically about spring cleaning and how that's probably the best time to clean anyway, because renewal and like metaphysical stuff that I was talking about earlier, and I'm looking outside. Anyway, I'm using this video specifically as a way to remind myself, because I also have to edit this video to go through the people that I follow on Instagram and Twitter as well as TikTok, but a reminder that spring cleaning is not just about your physical space, it is also about your social medias. So recently, as in I believe about a week or so ago, I ended up going through my entire subscription feed of people that I've subscribed to on YouTube to see which ones just don't upload that often, but I still watch their videos, or which ones I just don't watch anymore, and I think I'm going to have to go through it again. There's a conversation that I had earlier today with Alice on how people tend to say that Twitter specifically is so toxic, but like any other social media, any other form of social media, you can curate it to not be as toxic. So one of the ways that you can actually help yourself by bettering your mood and not actually cutting social media out completely is by becoming friends with your suggestion and block button. Whatever you don't want on your feed, you can go ahead and be like, can you not suggest stuff like this again? YouTube has that. You can choose to not have them not suggest that specific video or that specific creator. You can also use a feature like that, similar to that, on Instagram specifically, because now they have it where you can follow specific hashtags. So yeah, overall, this is just not only my reminder to go through my social medias, but your reminder to go ahead and also spring clean your social medias, because one of the best ways we can go ahead and make it a lot more comfortable for us all is to just filter out a lot of the stuff that happens.
My hand is bleeding.
What the do you need a band-aid? Is that what you're asking for?
Yes.
But as this is the end of the video, before my brain goes off on a completely different tangent than what the video is actually supposed to be about, because that has happened before, and this is not outlined. This entire video was not scripted, and I think it should have been. And with me saying that, it is time for The stereotypical YouTuber outro, where I, as a stereotypical YouTuber, will ask you to do the following. First of all, the fact that I got through all of that. Second of all, that clap was perfect! Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified of whenever I post, and put all of your questions, comments, concerns, or ideas for future videos into the comments section down below. With all that being said, my name is Tokika Uzuru. This is Alice.
I have a boo-boo on my hand.
We took care of that. And this is Toki saying Toki out.